I thought we are all going together.
Yeah. Yeah, good, yeah. Oh, Napa? Next, you make Abang, sila! Yes, pati! Abang, sila! Ay, Raul, alam lang ito. Sumay ko pati na nagdalang kumatila. Apay so dalo yan na sukuran ng kapasakan kaya nang nikasani ko mani nang itaksakan ko mani sukuha parang wahan. Ganit man bigel sa nang kumatila. Nagit nga jikon sa isang suwi mo na taka nang nikamera ko nga dapat sa siya mo na. Bakit sa mga wani belang ko chingi jakhale del chingi jumani rangu ketelang sa cipak songi cipak kompomen jira kachina andake sakanti yanu na tumbakba sakantinan patinong china andake nangosan matele thangbato ba kristo ni bimongo matele biya amen yani chaga tangya hai hai ye bo hai hai dài
And today Namong sob anachi uko pelisiet kagenba uko mandirani kodaken una bote domiar onaniran kodakangen kemoman Capital Sama, North West District President Arjun S. Mara. West District President Rudra Mara. West Youth General Secretary Alex. Southwest District President
Actually kapsara jongada noabirang talo laksana bakle drugs idigram donginga maini man yarang ko atsin talo takna tanang gen yarang atsin mungso ko challenge ungniya ani kapsara bagbang ani jongada noabirang talo atsin chadamberangna atsin kurang onjagin semode uamang ini ngeking ba uamang maini atsin takba gadangona sokangna nakdanang ecem yarang ko atsin study kai jakuni jagin semode atsinni asong meghalaya asongni chadamberang meghalaya asong garu hilsni atsinni jongada noabirangni future mahung salwa atsin rado nakdama chongchowa tashiwa agana youth are the builder of nation talo atsinni chadamberangan drugs 이게 좀 오래 응급아 작업아 백간이라고 해서 두비안이 그만 게 좀 오래 근데 아침에 퓨처를 바노 아침에 세큐로 나가다 막게 우니 그만 아침 달로 심상 나가다 나가 근데 그만 아침 마신 이 나가다 나게 달로 아침이 자담배랑니 포레스케니 가당하라 당 도와드려마 마 당원하니 그만 내야 자송니 피 아침 달로 아침이 자담배랑니 가당 포레스케니 가당 아침 당 도나가다 낭 초모다 Undiba record ko niya tinibo bulsig tamni achang SSLC ni pass percentage ko niya tinigi chumore talo achang ni Garu Hills 30% mamamba pass percentage chungja thakdo ani pa achang ni chadam berang ni forest ke ni garang nammen ongsyangya iya ko ninagatan achang ni government achang na daito chumota ari responsibility ko ongeng ba government na chumota nga Iyaran actually takagani talo onginga kasara amni magaba jongada noabirang government bentuk sumayo dentang acuna kuracakani ko onangi namanwa talo actually kamis me chai pa actually farmer lang badi dana kun leina kani ko maniga agana nan bijana chumplakan masia 바자란 티오 양이니보 actually 마켓도 당가 발산 동작 근데 이코노미컬리 나처럼 많이 당도나다 만게 이코노믹 남면 나오가 actually 이코노미코 아청 니나가다 다이도 actually government으로 와 우리는 이야랑이면 아청 달로 딱나가다 남게 이코노믹 컨디션도 아청 당도나 맞다는 청원에 언제나 actually 찾아내려나 바로 아처럼 카무 나가다 만게 바로 아처럼 employment도 제너레이트 나가다 만게 우리는 야랑 아침나 남 좀은 그봐 다그가니 알로라 아비아니 다알로 옹이야 다알로 마시나 아침니 에듀케이션 미니스터 알아치니 솔카리 제안 아침니 자담베랑니 에듀케이션 거 프라이어리티 나가냐 좀 야망이 다가나리 그다가 말이 이야만 제가마 레코드니 아들이 보다 알로 more than 2% higher educational 이거봐 Talo actually condition actually state condition oya mai tiki yang itu orang actually chadam berang IIT lo sokangen IIM lo sokangen UPSC ko yangen SSC ko exam ko pass kagen sawa responsibility ko dalam inga dongja angama sija angama sampai cacimana whether our education minister is aware of the thing that our youths are facing today Talo actually ongeng ko obostarko chadam berangni oksiang ingin actually education minister talo aware niya ma jakudi ingama responsibility ko ayama talo actually chadam berang 2% 3% ate daang upate actually higher education ingin kakci mai progress kigen uamang future mai gen iyaran ingin talo masih jadi semode endiri bahasa ko actually meghalaya bahasa ko actually chadam berang actually acara tak patah ni ko nak katong suwa dongja Yang gimana talo ceng takut mereka nang curutkan. Bajaran tuan ceng liangbo, bos tu ni damra mayung ingat bos tako. Inflation, angcak pungja achini market ore achina gamis me chani achini business kali rango taka paisa ko naman gija achini gam ja biryani bostu ramra achina dam rakyo ge chore ndile banu achini asungana seluruh na taman gen Meghalaya under death trap ni amanya achini Meghalayan government ko talo mana ba Meghalaya government talo central niko kepada asol ko loan ran more than 13,000 talo death tungya growth hota na यार सानो इफेक्ट ना सिंगा आंगनी नगनी चादाम बेरानी जंगी थांगानियो आंगनी नगनी चादाम बेरानी फॉरेस्ट केनियो आंगनी नगनी चादाम बेरानी खाम जमा गिजानियो और यार दाको ओबसारिनो वाले सबसा दालो आचुनी युद्रां चादाम बेरां मामुं गिसको फ्रस्ट्रेशन को मानेबा ओ गिजा को जाखालोना ड्रग्स एडिक्ट वाला सुबांगिया आंगा उनिगमन मेघालय गवर्नमेंट को दालो या को आंगा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को ओ नागता राचुमो दांदा नागाने आवा मामा दायित्व कोता Uni mana amal asma sakati kuba, saksa sada biung emang mola daska, aru mola daska. Acini daito, acini oksing kuba governance ni against so acini rina tanam gen, acu kuna cakna, acu wara cakna tanam gen, acu kurang ona kata, nam comot gen, amni kasara magba bagabarang. Kalau acu kurang oja yang cumode, kenalo acini negara ni kemen tarang ba cuna kurang ona ba dongjak. Mana Chinagana English show. First they came for the socialists, but I didn't speak up because I was not a socialist. Then they came for unionists, but I didn't speak up because I was not a unionist. They came for the Jews, I didn't speak up because I was not Jew. And lastly, they came for me, and there was no one to speak upon me. Jen somayo dalo achini nang lagi gaba achini chadam berang ni achini jonga da noa berang ni oksi gaba jangki thani gaban na aro anga kurang ojage chumore knalo amni nang ni nangani gaban kurang na gaba darang gaba dongjoa aro ya policy gun dalo achini government achugo khain ba opposition ko achugo scrap khana da jotu khainga uni gaban ara so sakati ko mola daska achini skam gaba daito achini ongeng gaba niknaki gaba achini isurani gaban Kurawanani, jakudeni, nakni, aro angni daito, o cumota. Anga, o kami, angni, denggebarang ko anga ya chorko nani nanga mutela. Anga aro kuracaka, angni belama repet. Anga aro angni team. Talo delay ba achni, Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ni mandera. Jane indekani ko achni chadam berang, achni asonang, achni khangat kulirang maliyacham. Acheng kesa ko ba issue ton chamija acheng speak up again. Wara chaken kurang gen. Aro tentang macam ni mo mola daska, aro agana daska. Acheng da aloni jaku ga enba. Parti ko block na kata tentang block level ni dalbarang baksa. Acheng senior leader ng baksa. Experience of what the Governor Enba suggestion of Enba, Jira Chinamo, Namnam, Chini, saying about the Governor, Yamani guidance, so Yamani blessing of Achini Enba, Achini Sate, Achini, Ishuniman, Achini Party Niguman, Waras Kenja, who guide Batson, Mokamchi, Mechanical, Kenya, Shimonaba, Kurataki, Arania, Arundakiamo, Monadaska, Javan Dalo, Meghalaya, Achini Yuto, Bakoma Niacham, Taramba within the party. Achini groupism atau division ko achung o nagdaram chomo jen somayo achung groupism nga jen somayo achuni kiseko achuni nokdango achung neknekani padun thangani ko nigen chumore phangna masibo yes khang achuni feronge yes khang achuni jana chakanonia uni gumen angana smong ko molang daska angni delanyo aro achuni da omega MPOC ni state dulgabarang maksa rianyo tarang ba achung groupism ko lakjawa Darang ba achung party o achung niknekani margen chumore makamchile bagen issue ko agan solve kan ba family leader ke achung tham kha chumor ke uni gimana ngadun thamancha da sima sakanti ko ba engam be ko program ko ongata ni nga amathela isol sakanti na bhakti china congress party thambang china sakanti ko thela
meeting ni chairman aro anchmona achni bongsong bapa sokapa chief guest de buraji gesa panar saripaji aro achni MPYC Uni Dergaba Mr. Tim Jim aro thang 가다고 시오가고 만고가 아침 가로스니 유니들 그바랑 아래 등타만차 와방거 아침 달로 야노 필리스티신 코닥이나 아로름 착소하니 코닥 야오니 그러면 와방거 차가도는 안증 없산 작화 독상나마 뭐 그럼 작사하는 게 딱 아이 작가 거들 못할 그냥 유니 딱 누르더라 그래서 마땅하면 소모요 제가 노가루선 멘디바타로 필리스티신 프로그램 나가지 망하니로 사이번 속바하나 맞자죠 아가가라테 아마 짝도 들어올 테니까 파이그럽잖아 우리 그만 다로 이제 위장 나가로나 속바나 졸코바나 아로 등탕탕 디스트릭니 투라 박마나 아로 제가 노토리니 제가 sakdalisan sopa itu dagu parang sopa uli kaman tentang marsaya sumaya komponan soko panalina matela ya 증리 나우 프레시덴데 김재모 유니 프레시덴 만들랑 다시리 유네나 다시리 파파한 대저고 비아 하나 스카만 베레 디그바 와다 치나네 비아사미자 우리 자원서 너네 파고도 갖고 싶으면 우리 그러면 비아리 노트 가로비스니 메디바타니 에밀리 컨테스 맞죠? 디바다오니 노골 파라시네야 뭐 사우스웨스트 치네야 다음에 사우스웨스트 소비아 이웃다 오르가나스 가게 나로 왔으니 가로비스 까먹고 오르가나스 가게 왔으니 뭐 강치 콩그레스코 레프나츠데 조도 가는 게 안츠니 비그로니 데뭐 버시크나 츠 콩그레스 와하 디바츠니 비그로니 데 멍사 증오 돌 사라 돌 그니 나가니 그러고 뭐 야 돌 그니 나가고 왔는데 돌 사노 왔은 앞찬 크몽나게 느껴라 우르데 안친 다우리 바이가바 벌시라고 왔은 앞찬 구주살로 게니만 아간 하나 구소가 등타마차 와방니 리들라니오 남두바 초로게 아루 그다마나 콩그레소데 얀 박간 아치그람니 유람니 들어가 비시된 엄청 아무리 나오실 거고 말까 하면서 가로도 무적인데 리차드 와 우리 자만으로 나오피아노 와 하여튼 MPCC니 들어가 비시된 바 지금 나무도 뭐 가는 팀 맞자 뭐 우리 그러면 마땅 그러면 소마요 증니 포르마르 DYC니 비시된 아마나 비송바나 비들랑아 비송코나 비자들랑아니 진짜 뭐 비송바 유드랑코나 비들랑아니나 등타만차 시작하나 파라올 kita bangmai hari gemen yang kana udah gemen bikuba acing baksa kongres ko aro yutra ko dalam hari na tentang baksa acing ni formal DYC ni presiden ko ba matela ko suba uni gemen nama baknya ka jawa da kana na ko parang acing ni gesang dominga uni gemen makang chi acing ni election sobaina MDC election supaya mo unoran cengke tahun ini yudrani kita yang cengke organisasi karena kita siakan tu kita DCC baksa atau DCC ini tergebarang baksa mili yudrango enroll kate organisasi kayak mana cengke berkangci cengke MDC election apa cengke doktor kata ni nangke jadi kepada ngapelak tergebarang ko mola amma dapati sumai namun surjawati cengke dalam MDC의 다음 콜브룩스코 동아야 다음 콜브룩스코 에리아 지역단 안타나고 인트로듀스 카드다 뭐 유니들 그바는 내 미소가다 리몬 나시망 오르가니스 카파시나 가데 뭐 모졸 파나바 구쇼바 우리 그만 나츠니 무kam치 리아리오 안츠 박사 노코바이 솔도마 안츠 지 랭데 가리나고 자그롱 겐츠노바 얀 파고데 만데랑 Congress Party orna guna manjang umpama mandirang yang bagi Congress na enroll kana atau Congress na kam kana maksumani garus kemukon batingan yang mana akan kana de kusuma mo uni gaman ya sumayo ya organize ko kai gapa William Nagar ni yuni dalgabaran ko aro DCC ni dalgabaran ko aro DCC ni dalgabaran ko platform makile ya nabi gapa meeting organize kai jadi yun dalgabaran ko PlayStation program ko takatali na nga plak dalgabaran ko matili ang gagaran ko dyan ang tutong plak ang matila.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Ma'am Deborah, working president of MPCC, former MLAs, senior dignitaries in the dais, newly elected office bearers, my colleague and the newly elected president, Timjim Momin, Sakanti ko salam. Was it right? Yeah. I'm just trying, and as I am one of you, I believe, I also want to make you feel that I am one of you. First of all, I am thankful to each one of you who have invited me and given me an opportunity to speak and get introduced to each one of you who have newly got elected, who have formerly handled Youth Congress also. So each one of you is, I might say, good job. You all have done a very good job by nominating yourself, being a part of this Youth Congress, and you have yourself elected among your members, and you have got this position with your own strength. Right? Why we are here? Today we are felicitating our newly elected members. From this dais, there is a hope from this side to this side that the people sitting on the dais, the newly elected members, will do something. For whom? For the public. For the voters. For the people of Meghalaya. Right? So to build up this, to fulfill the dreams, to fulfill all your achievements or commitments, we all have to come together. And how do we come together? Today we are in opposition. We are not in ruling, we are in opposition. We know the issues. Many of the Youth Congress newly elected district president, my colleague Timjim also have said, what are the major issues of our state, our national issues. We all know unemployment is a big issue in the nation. We all know drugs is the second highest issue in the entire Northeast. It's not Meghalaya, let us count Tripura, let us count Manipur, let us count Mizoram, everywhere. Today whatever is happening is Manipur, the back-end issue is drugs. The main issue is about poppy cultivation. But media doesn't show that. This entire Manipur is burning because of drugs, which has turned into a communal clash. We all know. So how do we stop that? Today we are gathering here, we are talking about the issues. We'll go from here, we'll have lunch, we'll forget everything. That should not happen. From this field, from this dais, my request is to all the office bearers. We know what problems we are facing. Let it be price hike, let it be women's safety, let it be drugs, let it be anything the nation is facing. We all should come together. To my colleagues who have been newly elected, my request is you have to raise your voice against all the issues and be with the society. We have to be a part of the society. We have to raise the social issues, and then only we can come in power and then help the people of Meghalaya. At the same time, my request is to all the Congress members and workers. It's not a one-man army. We cannot do everything. We need your help. We need your support. Today, I'll again give the example of Manipur. What has happened since last 18 months, we all know. It's our neighboring state. It's one of our sister states. What is happening in Manipur can tomorrow happen in Meghalaya also, if Manipur doesn't stop. If we don't raise our voice against the issues happening in the state, anything can happen anywhere, any day under this present ruling government. We have seen how BJP is handling Manipur. And finally, end of the day, finally, because of the public, because of the voters, because of the crisis, all the people accusing and raising their voice, finally, the CM had to resign in Manipur. Finally, because it is the people's voice. have to be united. Until and unless we don't come united, we don't communicate with each other, we cannot come in power. And until and unless we don't come in power, we can do service to people, but we cannot fight and do the basic things, the most important things, the development of the state, until and unless we all are in power, the party is not in power. So to be in power, to come and be elected in power, you people have to give us power. The voter have to give us power. And how do we do that? It's once in 5 years. That is by voting. Whatever we are not getting, which is our right, let it be development, let it be jobs, let it be higher education, we can reply to the ruling government only through our votes. And the day when it comes, I'm sure the people of Meghalaya will definitely vote for Congress, because in last 5 years you all have seen, I think it's almost 10 years going to be. You have seen when Congress is not there, what is the development is happening. What I could see, as I am from Assam, from your neighboring state, I can only see concerts and concerts back to back in your state. I only see big concerts. I am happy that so big stars are coming from Hollywood, Bollywood. So good. We are happy somebody is coming to Northeast. But what is the agenda behind that? I am from Assam. When I see Himanta Biswa Sharma, he is only making my city a flyover city, nothing else. But what is the agenda behind these flyovers? We have to think. After each flyover, we see that he is doing a development. But he is making footbridge, again he is developing flyover, again he is demolishing the footbridge. That means again he is constructing roads, and the same roads again he is destructing because he has to do the Jal Jeevan also. That means he is just taking money, he is just throwing project, and he is collecting money and commission through contractors. Same road is built, again it is broken because they have to build up the pipe for Jal Jeevan. Again it will be rebuilt again. This is only happening in Assam. And everybody knows what is happening, what has happened, and who is the major Karalpati in Assam, the CM's wife. So this is what we have to understand. Why I am giving examples, because what is happening in our neighboring state, that we need to understand, and we have to think that what is going to happen in our state also. This is the major thing we all have to pick up, and I believe we all will work together, we all will work hand in hand to build Meghalaya, rebuild Meghalaya in a proper way. We all, from senior till NSY, from Congress party, we all know we have 5 wings. I am so glad to see that we have a PCC from Jantia Hills, we have a working president here from Garo Hills, and now you have one of the frontier president, the most important wing, which is the bridge among the junior till the senior, Youth Congress. Your Youth Congress president is from the Garo Hills. So now you all have, although Madam was always there, now she also have a helping hand like Timjim, who will help under the guidance of Ma'am Deborah and all senior leaders. We all will work together and strengthen Congress party in Garo Hills too. I believe if we all work together, we will definitely form government in the next elections, and I believe that I will see we all will come again with huge number of welcome the way we have got today. Today we are not in power, but the welcome which we have got, that is so hard welcoming. I am so pleased to see that welcome, that although we are not in power, but we have seen that love, concern, affection of Congress workers towards us. That is really thankful to each one of you that you have come out, because it's a working day. We all have to work to feed our family, to be alive, and on a working day, you all are out for the Congress party. That means you all are hardcore Congress workers who are here. And this shows the spirit of Congress party. entire team for inviting me here. And I would like to give a small example before I end my speech. The most important thing I would like to say is about a small brief about myself, how I started and why you should do Congress. This Congress party is the only party who has given opportunity like youths to us. I am not from a political background. I don't think Timjim how far he was. I don't think many of the youths have any senior leader whose father, mother or anybody is a MLA here who have newly got elected. Many of you are from a very neutral family or a Congress family member. And you have thought of coming into the process and today you have become elected. This is only the vision and mission of Rahul Gandhi which has given us an opportunity. Youth Congress elections was an opportunity for me when in 2008 I came to Congress party through this election process only. I was a booth president at that time. From a booth president, I then got again elected in the next term as an Assembly General Secretary, then Assembly Vice President. Then after that, working for almost 4 years in the Assembly level, 4 to 5 years, I was promoted to IYC. And since last 9 years, I must say I am so glad that I am representing Northeast in national level. And I am in charge of almost 5 states in Northeast apart from Assam. I am in charge of all the other states in Northeast. And I am thankful to the Congress party who has given me this opportunity. So what I mean to say, I would also like to add Timjim's example also. Timjim was a district president in Nardgaru Hills. Then he was promoted as a vice president. And today he is a elected Youth Congress state president. And where is it coming from? How we are able to do this? Because what is seen, if you work for the party, if you are dedicated, if you have given your time, energy, you will be rewarded. This is an example in my life also, and the another example is Timjim also, who have worked from the district level and today he is in the state level. Under the leadership of Timjim, I believe, under his guidance, under Madam Deborah's leadership and all the senior leaders, we all will work together. Youth Congress will be strengthened as much as we can. But as I requested, we have to work hand in hand. And we will work together. And I believe one more thing I would like to add is, in this dais, Congress party, we talk about 33% reservation. I must add this, I have to say as a woman, and I really want this. This 33% reservation Congress party is giving to every woman to come forward and be a part of the political ground. It's giving a platform to everyone. My request to all my colleagues, seniors, we should welcome women, we should give opportunities to our women to come forward and work together. We take out our women only during election and the rest of the time we don't appreciate much. But I think we should. It's not the responsibility of only the women, people only to bring women. We all should push together and bring women into this dais. And next time I believe when today we are 4 women representing here, next time it will be 8 to 10 women representing in this dais. And I will be happy and glad to see that. Before I end, I would like to conclude my speech with one small note. That's in Hindi again. मैं वो लाइन आपको हिंदी में बोलूँगी. Do you understand लहर? लहर पता है आप लोगों को, नदी में लहर होता है ना, wave. We all understand wave. लहरों से डर के नौका पार नहीं होती. मतलब if you are afraid of waves, you cannot sail the boat. The boat will not pass. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका। मिथिला
Wadagi Dalo Acheng National Coordinator AICC ni Aro Bajengdobani XMLA Pa Brigadi Mara Wadagi Utrangi Inchor Soma Srimati Sarifa Rehman Aro Achengi Sri Timjim Momen, newly elected MP YCC President, newly elected District ni President, our newly elected Vice President, Secretary, our District ni President, our entire staff, BCC ni President uni entire staff dentang area ni reba ang ni kasabe pa magapa pagapa arono pa zongparang ia somayo dentang mansanga dentang district ramoni BCC DCC youth dalgaparang represent katokani gaman rebani gaman support kani gaman anga skangba materna namnsenga yan ang sengni kumong nangarmani ko mesoka ni ba yan dalbe ko pa ya somayo sakhi onga lalo ang seng ya somayo yano meeting ko ngatingon tondakingon ang seng dalo Sri Timjim Momen Aro dentang district ni leaderang Zeran electiono participate kaasam electiono participate kai amma ko mangabarang sakan tikon ramsak suwani ko aro mandirang na dari punke mesokani ko ya somayo ancheng William Nagaro takinga riang pang somayo North Carol Hills, Silong Ramo, Dakna, Manangaha, Wadaki Dalo Ansang, William Nagaro, ya program ko na meragi susukat na Ansang Manaha. Ya program ko susukat na Mananina, ang adang tang mansa, DCC ni dalgaparang ko, BCC ni dalgaparang ko, youth ni dalgaparang ko, aro magapari dorang ko matel sengna namnaka aro bangsa nga dentang sa William Nagaro notice ka zeni ba meeting ko youth ni ongza maina mahila ni meeting ongza maina pangman saksa sakapan ni daksakani ko organization ni daksakani ko anga nagna mana ansan mukhang siba deken daksak dergang na Anthony party, Anthony organization belonging selgen. Aro ya somayo dak cak kermalina askang ba na siwang ko materna namnachenga. Beben daro Anthony Congress Party ne ingagani ko manani somayo. Party na kasa kaparang de, party na kaoksi dangdage onenga, kamko kayo onenga. Uli ka man nga sakang tikon yan o nari baka parang ko isaka kong gumagsi na siwang ko matyasinga. Yan sumayo Sri Timjim Momen aro dentang district ni liderang election ko ungat ibang ambago parang sa. Dalo anseng ni youth ni state ni youth ni president North Carol Hills Soni Riang pa election Mendi Pataro Wan Chaba Sakatacha Saksayu ni leader onge yang sumayo biya youth na contest kao youth ni president ko manaha dalo jirangan yano post ko rain sadeng toking asam yarang gamakan Yanuan kontes kae mangabasane kasara magaba pagaparang. Yano kontes kae mangagaparang state kamok ni youth ni president masih ako state kamok ni William Nagar ngomong ni sanungja ba mendini sanungja ya state kamok ko nirok na naging pa ya dal bear responsibility bini sorjaro kenang ya dal bear responsibility ko rai challenges ko rai yan kita pa critical somay namjang mutungo daalo organization ko nirok na gata organization ko rakhi na gata namdabat na gata kam khana de biya saksachi aro district president rang sa prak kam kayachi omja daalo state ni president nama district youth congress ni president rang dalang na daksak na ng dalaw wala ke daalo district ni president rang ko ba block ni president rang daksak na ng game daalo peto na de district president na kasan daalo elected ongcho nga daalo district ni president sakam tiyan block ge prak ni president rangko pasena nangenga kasara magaba pagabarang daalo ya proses ko complete ongat nagatade constituency gyan tiyon natseng rakwarang kenang jekai William Nagaro dongo ba dongjau ba manchak ko ba manchak jau ba William Nagaro ni rakwar de angan anthako phangnan don ronga anga melyong jana ba donga anga minister ong jana ba donga ba anchang opposition san asongna ba donga andi ba constituency yang chion rakwar de donna namani kasara magaba phagaparang ana simangna angana tena uwa mandirang dalo atang ni blok ni kadong na manggapa kam kana gonggapa organize kana gonggapa president ako antang dalo sandige onna nangge nasongan nakchak senjang de kam kadang jau de state ni president ko district ni president ko songwani songra maiden ni ang simanga uyat na skina wala ke dalo ansini organization ra congress party ni plongen black parmoni ke sama ansino AICC donga top most delio uni zamano all india mahila ansino donga delio headquarter uni zamano all india yan youth congress yaba delio donga dalo ansung Meghalaya state election ko successful oge mathudak na manjo ukona nija awan bainga chum ya election successful omade ansung ni in charge Mrs. Saripa Rehmani aselba ungaha successful manjo biar ibai muna election onga nanggen ne muna biya halaka ingchum election ong chobot na nanggen ne muna agaling achum uno de abajingode election de nengneng gen konde demna maina election pangasumay no visa basili achum basili wata royal human election ongna de nengen kon election ramba donga ne mung amade importance ko nonja ingachum aro bina bagana de achum tinjina ba andiba ya proses mo yutrang determine nonga ya proses ko challenge kanagata ya proses ko machudat nagata yutrang yes tunga election proses ko jaragin nimna yut sakam chen makare ha aro Mrs. Saripa ba biaba daknan ngai gen nemuna kreng galani man yutrang tang ba proses ko machudat na ngani muna kreng galani man timji man tang ba Beken boro da play kang paisa nong zoma. You drunko enroll katai tai kata cuma na manjok. Uni kaman ang iya longi determination dongani kaman rakki kam kali kaman na simang sakam jikon yusram ko iya somai wama congratulate kana namnika. May na nga namin kaman ko lukurka. Aro ang nga district wise kamak nan pun kay halakaro kaatunga. Even in your absence, I try to call each and every district officials, youth, how far you have done your enrollment. I want to make sure that from Garo Hills we get a president this time. And we got it. We should and we must congratulate them today. When you want the election process from Ramongja, Ansang MLA, MDC, MP na kam kay Masya, Chon Berba ya youth ni President Mangmangba ang adagro ayaw yari easy ongja. Andi ma ansang determination dongode, ansang will dongode. If there is a will, there is a way. Niya dalo ya susopa okna macho. Asa dalo de ansang ya election macho jo susop jo. What is next? Dalo de responsibility de timjim nam loin dala ang mukhawan ang aladenga state ko mukha sa na nanginga district ni president bisong naga bisong ni mukhang challenges round loin dala. Dalo sa yedi start kagyan. Start kana abacing betul dalo. Anseng de samal ni rekam bonasan dalo de so kuena. Dawa anseng samal ko cross kana namina. Anseng main again samal ko cross kana mangin. Namin dake sansina nangen program na ko sokot kana nangen district president ni mo. Barita na kung belum tunga. For example, Garo Hills ni President. Songsak blok ko namin ninanangin. Rongjeng blok ko namin ninanangin. William Nagar ni blok ko namin ninanangin. William Nagar blok President. Awa boot level na parkolet down kananangin. Uno sa organization ko atang strength kananangin. Uno sa atang ni organization belakin. Anga yuta sa nakanjenga BCC na ba ikon ang gama BCCL booth level polling station ko strength kazang ode ansang ni zagrang ko belakat na majawa. Una sa mi jawa ganingan sang district ke Praknan block JJ block district skang gapa booth level ko tengna BCC na thariat na magen anga party ni kita 15,000 ko boxi songen yang para kaco. Hai nina Badia district skang submit ka dasi be yang BCC bagi igeni sanjok nenga bewak cadas king hana. Uni naman anga banho not Garo Hills ni DCC ni president ko ba mormona tenga tarak buzo West ni madonga West ko maya somayo mormona tenga South ni badonga mormona tenga hai sawas kam sukba angona picnic sana naman kano danga bang 10,000 de manang no boxes ansang ikodak na one again ansang youth ramba apsan again kamko kana anga bemera timjimba nasi mangko wargal jawa nasi mangko youth ko na main again organize katla ode nasong ko is Garo Hills picnic channelgen masya kon ba anseng jalma may libo na picnic channel kata sponsor na bagi agan sesukon ya somayo de aro mali organization domani kuman organization ni kuman sa anga bangpat ta somayramon organization ni kuman anga kana aro mijang silong ba agani ngasam organisasi ni kemen yang sembuh, ni mana? Ya doktor pernah dongang ni sampau, biar dia lekhani, orang yang doktor rumah, andi mah angare party organisation angare doktor dosis. Dasion may ba kaningatsam, effort kaningatsam, ang nibiyan hamni organization no dungani gaman, farewell takagda takaizo takalde nemo. Politics so de farewell rongja, politics so de retired rongja. Nangni makang si kam kana nang nga bangin donginga, effort ni ba? Na main organization ko belakat na nanginga, maybe benda daw dongina, dalang na nang kugin. Seni youth ni somai sengat terus kanga. Dalo nasimang ni youth dalo take out kagen. Youth round take over kagen. Sangsao kenalo ambil salo. Senga politics ni retire dongna ba donga. Ba nasonga dang degi senga onang na manjana ba donga. Wa somayo nasong jatko asongko ya youth round ni jakci aceng rekanggen. Uni kaman jerangan post tongja, anga mamang koba takna manjazo ande chanchi nabe, post tongja ba jatko asongko delang namana, haida ancang dentang capacity o jatko asongko delang skana mana ba genam. Uni kaman sakan chini roller important onga, songo noko dongai pa songa damni, takdeleng kapani role ba politics ode. Belum important onga. Wali menantang ni kamko bakko nasimang rai kamko kago. Ancing ni election next year ro MDC election ancing garo hilso ongenga. Wali menantang raki kamko ancing katukna nanggenok. Wali men pange akan jezokon ya sumayo sangsar hai nga. Timzim aro timzim ni entire team jerangan stato da alo youth leader mo in rechakat na aming asam warmak na anga angni all the very best ko onajenga all the very best Mr. Timzim moment for your future endeavor and to your entire District President, Secretary, Vice President. May God bless you all. Mutena.